What happens when unimaginable wealth meets unbridled curiosity? Enter Jeff Bezos, whose billions fuel a world of extravagant purchases and boundless innovation. From robot dogs to relics from space, his acquisitions redefine opulence and imagination. But beneath the glitz lies a testament to the convergence of limitless resources and insatiable curiosity. Each purchase, whether a luxury yacht or a spacefaring rocket, tells a story of ambition unchained. Jeff Bezos isn't just spending, he's shaping the future with every acquisition, sparking wonder and inspiration in the process. Welcome to the extraordinary world where wealth knows no bounds and imagination reigns supreme. Spot, the robotic canine companion. Imagine a dog that transcends the mundane task of fetching slippers to become a multifunctional companion capable of laundry duties, fetching a beer, and even serving as a bodyguard. For Jeff Bezos, this isn't fantasy but reality embodied in Spot, a $75,000 robotic creation. Beyond being a mere tech novelty, Spot epitomizes Bezos' profound faith in robotics and artificial intelligence as pivotal components of our future. Its versatility extends far beyond household chores, serving as a beacon of technology's potential to revolutionize daily life in unprecedented ways, marking a significant stride towards a more efficient and interconnected world. Unparalleled security measures. In a realm where power and affluence can draw as much peril as admiration, prioritizing security becomes imperative. Amidst threats reminiscent of a spy thriller, Bezos' commitment to his personal safety is both sobering and awe-inspiring. Employing military-grade bulletproof glass and a team of 9 bodyguards at an annual cost of $1.6 million serves as a stark reminder of the vulnerabilities inherent in vast wealth and influence. This investment underscores the lengths to which individuals must go to protect themselves in a world where their prominence can attract not only admiration, but also potentially life-threatening risks. A deep dive into history. Bezos' infatuation with space transcends mere futuristic ambitions. It's a profound quest to reclaim fragments of our collective history. His multi-million-dollar expedition, aimed at salvaging Apollo mission rocket engines from the ocean's depths, echoes his deep reverence for the golden era of space exploration. The investment, roughly totaling $15 million for the restoration of just one engine, underscores Bezos' unwavering commitment to preserving historical artifacts for public enlightenment and inspiration. It reveals a poignant narrative where financial resources are channeled not merely for opulence, but to safeguard and commemorate the milestones of human achievement. Through this endeavor, Bezos elevates the significance of legacy, reminding us that some investments transcend luxury, resonating with the essence of our shared past and shaping the trajectory of our future endeavors. An automotive collection that defies conformity. Bezos' evolution from a 1997 Honda Accord to the diamond-studded Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita reflects not only a journey of automotive taste, but also parallels Amazon's meteoric rise from startup to global giant. Each car, from the humble sedan to the rarest of supercars, symbolizes distinct aspects of Bezos' character and ethos. Whether it's the pursuit of speed, the appreciation of rarity, or the embrace of opulence, his collection worth approximately $20 million serves as a dynamic testament to innovation, performance, and the timeless allure of craftsmanship. It's a tangible manifestation of Bezos' relentless pursuit of excellence and his unwavering commitment to pushing boundaries, both on the road and in the boardroom. The clock that ticks through the ages. At the pinnacle of Jeff Bezos' expenditures lies the enigmatic 10,000-year clock, a $42 million investment transcending mere utility to embody a profound philosophical statement and testament to long-term vision. Nestled within a Texas mountain, this remarkable timepiece transcends conventional notions of horology, beckoning us to contemplate the vast expanse of time and humanity's enduring legacy. Programmed with chimes resonating through the next millennium, it serves as a poignant reminder of our collective responsibility to steward the future. More than a symbol of wealth, the clock embodies Bezos' contemplation of time's immensity, the weight of legacy, and the enduring impact of human endeavors across the annals of time. It stands as a monument to the eternal pursuit of progress and the boundless potential of human ingenuity. A fleet of jets and the acquisition of influence. Owning multiple private jets, notably the $75 million Gulfstream G650ER, Bezos has armed himself with the ability to traverse the globe on his own terms. Beyond mere symbols of luxury, these aircraft serve as indispensable tools, facilitating the global expansion of his business ventures and philanthropic endeavors. Furthermore, Bezos' acquisition of the Washington Post for $250 million transcends a mere investment in media. It represents a strategic entry into the realm of information dissemination. This move underscores his astute comprehension of the power of media in shaping public discourse and influencing policy. Through these ventures, Bezos not only demonstrates his prowess as a business magnate, but also his keen understanding of the interconnectedness between information, influence, and global impact. A portfolio of homes that span the globe. Bezos' portfolio of residences, from a converted museum in Washington, D.C. to a vast estate in Beverly Hills, transcends mere luxury, embodying a strategic calculus of location and influence. Valued in the hundreds of millions, these properties act as pivotal nodes in a global network, affording Bezos the ability to host dignitaries, conduct high-stakes business dealings, and bask in a level of privacy and security that eludes most. Beyond their opulence, Bezos' real estate investments represent a nuanced strategy, seamlessly blending personal refuge with astute business acumen. Each property serves as a fortress of solitude and a nexus of power, underlining Bezos' mastery in leveraging physical spaces to augment his influence and advance his multifaceted ambitions. Innovation beyond boundaries. Jeff Bezos' investments transcend mere displays of personal wealth and security. They epitomize his unwavering dedication to advancing the frontiers of human potential. His support for Blue Origin stands as a cornerstone of his visionary quest for space exploration, transcending the realm of a mere billionaire's pastime to signify a profound commitment to democratizing and sustaining space travel for posterity. Bezos' initiative reflects a deeply held conviction in the imperative of humanity's expansion beyond Earth's confines, not just for exploration's sake, but as a crucial step towards ensuring our species' resilience and prosperity in the face of future challenges. In essence, his investments in ventures like Blue Origin are bold assertions of his belief in a future where the cosmos beckons as both a frontier of exploration and a sanctuary for human endeavor. The human side of tech. Bezos' balls. One of Bezos' more intriguing investments is the Amazon Spheres in downtown Seattle, affectionately known as Bezos' balls. This giant greenhouse complex serves as a unique workspace designed to inspire creativity among Amazon employees. Filled with over 40,000 plants from around the world, it's a bold experiment in workplace design, reflecting Bezos' belief in the importance of a stimulating environment for innovation. This project, part of a larger $4 billion investment in Amazon's urban campus, underscores his commitment to rethinking the nature of work and the role of natural spaces in fostering creativity. A glimpse into the future, the clock of the long now. Perhaps the most symbolic of Bezos' investments is the 10,000-year clock, a project that aims to promote long-term thinking in an era often criticized for its focus on immediate gratification. By investing $42 million in this clock, which ticks once a year and chimes once a century, Bezos is making a statement about the importance of considering the distant future in today's decisions. Whether whimsical or strategic, Bezos' spending habits reveal the essence of one of humanity's most influential minds. Each decision underscores his commitment to technology's potential, the importance of safeguarding our heritage, and the relentless pursuit of progress. For more intriguing insights into the world of billionaires, remember to like, share, and subscribe to Money Flash. Stay tuned for our next video exploring the compelling stories of billionaires navigating the fine line between wealth and ethical dilemmas.